A new OpenAI Sora rival just landed for AI videos, and you can use it right now for free. The text-to-video AI boom has surged in recent months, yet tools like OpenAI Sora remain unavailable for public use. Dream Machine, a new competitor, has launched and is currently accessible for free, offering a taste of generative video. Created by Luma AI, Dream Machine provides a free tier, allowing 30 video generations per month, with paid plans starting at $29.99. The tool currently faces high demand, causing longer processing times, but delivers impressive results despite these delays. Dream Machine's clips are 5 seconds long and in 1360 by 752 resolution, somewhat limiting compared to competitors like OpenAI's Sora. While its outputs are shorter and lower resolution, Dream Machine is a promising preview of more advanced AI video generators. As text-to-video generation becomes mainstream, Dream Machine offers a practical starting point, albeit with some technical limitations.